our in-house production of quality, flexible aluminium spiral duct called Dalap ALUDAP. Ducts are produced in diameters of 80, 100, 125, 150, 160, 200, 250 and 350 millimeters with basic lengths of 1, 3 and 6 meters. Do you need a different duct length? Don't worry, we'll be happy to make you a duct to your requirement. Ducts are manufactured from a 0.07 millimeters thick aluminium ribbon, rigidly woven with a tube former machine. Shortening the duct length is very simple. The main advantage is the great flexibility that you get when handling and installing. Ducts are supplied in 25, 80 and 120 compressed centimeters, depending on the eventual length. Decompressing the ducts is best done in 2 stages, with gentle rotation in an anti-clockwise direction. Pull the ducts out to 1, 3 or 6 meters, depending on your choice. With bends, the working length of the duct is shortened according to the curvature, as per the diagram. This air duct is mainly used in places where there is little space to mount a rigid duct, for example a drop ceiling or loft.